This is a SRT Mathematics lab kit for students based on syllabuses. It's called Alpha to Omega, Institute of Scientific Research and Training. And we have the 8th standard kit here. This is the back side of kit, and we can see Dr. Hukum Singh is a former Dean and Academics Professor and Head Department of Education and Science and Mathematics, and he was a National Council of Education Research and Training in CRT with, and you can understand this is Institute of Science, Scientific Research and Training. In this 8th standard box, we have the contents like lab models like circles, area of circles, identity, rhombus, Pythagorean, sum, linear, sum, cube, basket triangle, number patterns, and about great mathematicians and puzzles and quadrilateral, as well as lab workbook manual, lab CD, web page registration, method, project listing management. We have the additional answering questions. It enables the students to learn mathematics with the help of solid objects. Using solid objects and verify they discover some geometric properties using models, charts, graphs, pictures, posters, etc. This kit can enhance mathematical awareness, skill building, positive attitude, and helps learning through activities. It also helps children to understand the beauty and power of mathematics, fun, and this kit is based on 8th standard. We can unbox the kit. This is a kit we are just unboxing. What are the materials available inside? We have a small kit for materials, and we have the basic alpha and 4 alpha omega mathematics lab kit brochure. We have alpha mathematics lab kit for students. These are the charts and photos. And we have a lab kit workboard. And some mathematical shapes. We have shapes covers, and we have demonstration notes for standard 8th, because this box is for standard 8th. And we have mathematics class projects book number 3. And we have different CDs. This is a very special CD. This is based on standard 8 CD. And each class we have separate CDs. And this is the virtual maths lab CD, and this is video tutorial of Omega 3. And friends, we have the ACD app and talent exam chart, and I will give you an example. Before giving an example, I will tell you something about the shapes. It is nothing more. It is creating how to create shapes. We have so many shapes inside. This is easy to understand, kids. What is the shapes and what is not shapes, and how it works. Instead of in a 2D model, it will be a 3D model. It will be powerful to understand how it works like. So you can understand this is cube, square, and different type of shapes you can see, right? So it can be covered, and it will be beautifully covered, and you can understand the 3D of these shapes. I will show you the workbook. It is a standard 8 demonstration notebook, and you can go to all the works we can see here till 26, and we will go the easy formula a plus b all square. And this one I can show you very easy. We can understand because everybody knows what is a plus b all square. This is how the kit we can open. Open like this, very easy opening. If we have the circle check, whatever we Yeah, this is a plus b all square. Definitely we'll come back to it. In before I will show you the diagram and the area of rhombus, binary chords, types of quadrants, area of circle, area of rhombus, plus b plus c also, and Soma cube over here, and Pythagorean theorem, and we have an a square minus b square in circle parts, a minus b all square, angles in semicircles, sum of angles in triangle, and we have Tower of Hanoi. And quickly we can come over to a plus b all square and what is going to happen, and I will show you and I will explain you simply what is a plus b all square. Here we can see in the formula we can see the a square, and I'm just trying to make it, it's not a, it is a square, and we have a b square here, and it is a b square, and we have two ab's. You can see one ab here and you can see one ab here, so we have two ab's. One ab I will keep here in this corner, and then another ab I will keep in this corner, and you can see there is a square plus one ab and b square. There's two ab's, a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is a simple equation which easily and magically they can understand, how easily they can understand, the kids can understand, and each formula they can easily construct by using these all shapes or the materials, by using this all materials, and I'm damn sure parent will be happy. A class mathematics teacher will be cool, and an headmaster will be having a great feel. Obviously the student will be a mathematician in future. These all things will be very easily support the boys, the kids to build their mathematics energy and ability to create well. Thank you and God bless.